Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the Bitcoin Bulletin, your source of in-depth analysis and breaking news on the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're talking about the latest market shakeup that saw Bitcoin's price soar, only to crash back down. But what's behind this sharp movement, and where does it leave us heading? Let's dive right in. So, last week President Trump announced sweeping tariffs that sent shockwaves through the markets, including crypto. And boy, did it send a ripple effect. The S&P 500 futures plummeted over 2%, wiping out more than $2 trillion in market value. Bitcoin was no exception, initially surging to $88,000 before taking a sharp fall to $82,000. But by the end of April 2nd, it had stabilized at around $83,000. Now, you might think that's just another wild ride for Bitcoin, but some analysts see this as an opportunity in disguise. Valentin Fournier, lead analyst at BRN, points out that with speculation now reduced, institutional investors could return, increasing buying pressure. And it seems like BlackRock's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund is already feeling the heat, registering $218 million in inflows on April 2nd. But not everyone's convinced that this is a buying opportunity just yet. Thomas Perfumo, Kraken's global economist, says that Bitcoin's market cycles will persist until adoption reaches critical mass. And he's right, because when you look at Ethereum's performance, it's still struggling to attract investor confidence, and its price remains 55% below its cycle high. Some analysts are framing the recent market turbulence as an overreaction, attributing it to investor uncertainty surrounding U.S. trade policy. But one thing's for sure: Bitcoin, often compared to gold as a store of value, is still the preferred asset in uncertain economic conditions. And that's why Bitcoin ETFs are showing strong demand, and institutional interest seems to be returning. So where does this leave us? Well, some analysts expect Bitcoin's price to stabilize and possibly push higher in the coming weeks. But market participants remain cautious, watching for further developments in trade policy and macroeconomic conditions that could influence asset prices. One thing's clear: the crypto market is always on edge, waiting for the next big move. That's it for today's briefing from the Bitcoin Bulletin. Stay ahead of the curve with our breaking news and in-depth analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency insights. Until next time, stay informed and keep your eyes on the prize.